Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today is a review video on some new products that I received from bornprettystore.com. They sent me some stamping plates to review. Here they are. They are my new favourite form of stamping plates. They are layered stamping. Absolutely love the effects that come from that. And then I also received two stamping plates that are like mandalas and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you the stamping plates that I received, and then I will show you how I created this look on my nails. So this is the design on my nails that I created this week, guys. With the aid of these stamping plates from bornprettystore.com. So here is the first one. They're like butterfly designs, but they're layered stamping. Then I've got this one, which is all flowers and bits and bobs. And then there's this one, which is trees and leaves, little blossom trees and different things like that. And here are the mandala ones. So they're super cute. So here what I'm doing is I just show you what design I created on my nail before I actually show you how I created it. So I'm just putting down a base coat layer, and then I go in with Spring Break 09. So these are my natural nails, however I do have a layer of Brush Up Builder Gel on top of them just for added strength. I have already done an infill on that. If you would like to see me do an infill on the Brush Up Builder Gel, then please let me know. So I'm going in with two coats of Spring Break 09, and then I go in with a top coat, and then I go in with the mandala stamping plates. So I just do a little bit of a design here. The stamping plates are absolutely amazing to use. I love them to bits. The detail on them is really, really cute. So I'm just putting a layer of top coat over the top of that, and then I'm using these tiny little hexagons, holographic hexagons, and with a rhinestone pen I'm just applying those to my nail just before I've actually cured the top coat there. And I'm just applying them inside the flower, and then once I've applied all of those little hexes, I go in and cure that in my lamp for 60 seconds. And then I go in with another coat of top coat, and then that is the design finished. There it is. So then I move on to my forefinger. And again, as you can see, just show you the design that I've created. So I'm just going in with the base coat, which I cure for 30 seconds. Then I've got Holly Girl 02, and I go in with two coats of this again, curing each coat in the LED lamp for 30 seconds. So then I'm just going over that there with the top coat, UV gel non-wipe shiny top coat. And again with these hexes, I just dot these all over the nail, over the top of the wet gel top coat. I haven't cured it yet, just so that it's just something for the hexagons to actually stick to. And then yes, so I just place these, dot these all over the nail, and then I cure it in my LED lamp for 60 seconds, and then I go in again with another top coat and cure that for 60 seconds. So unfortunately on my middle finger I did actually forget to film a little bit of it. However, I showed you the design there. So I go in with Miss Casey 02, I apply two coats of this, and I cure each coat in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then I go in with a glitter, and it's a sugar coating glitter. So it's sugar coating 01 that I do apply to my nail, and then I place those hexes on. I did forget to film it, so I do apologise for this, guys. However, I'm just going in with the top coat, which I cure for 60 seconds. And then my ring finger, which is probably my most favourite nail that I have done, is part of the layered stamping. So I just apply my base coat, then I've got Miss Casey 03, which I apply 2 coats of that and cure each coat for 30 seconds. So then with the butterfly layered stamping, I just go in with one colour, apply the butterfly to the nail. I applied it at a certain angle, which I quite like the angle there. Then I went in with white. These are just normal nail polishes that I used here. And just place that down on the butterfly. And then the final one was black, so I went in just to get the outline of that butterfly. He's so cute, I really, really like it. And then I apply those little hexagons again to the nail. So I've just applied a layer of top coat, and before I've cured it, I've applied those hexagons to the nail. And then I cure that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds, and then I go in again with another top coat and cure that again. So then on my little finger I did a similar sort of thing, just with a different design, a feather, and I don't know what the other design is, but it's cute. It's like a leaf of some sort, but I went in with the pinks and like a bluey green and a black again, and again with the hexagons. So I just love them. I love how they twinkle in certain sunlights. It's so cute. So thank you so much for watching my video this week, guys. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, as always, please give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All the links that I used in this video will be in the description box or the description below here, along with any discount codes that can be applied. So thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye. So also just to let you know guys, I have started up a new channel, Beautified Beauty Blogger, where I do unboxing videos, so I will leave a link to that. Don't forget to check it out guys. Bye.